Hey guys, Colin DeMar here. Back by popular demand, I'm here with another CD unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Ariana Grande album, Eternal Sunshine. This is the Ariana Grande album, Eternal Sunshine. This is the first Ariana Grande album to be released in 2024, and which just came out today. So here's the cover, and right there is a close-up of Ariana Grande's face. And here's the back of the CD. There's Ariana Grande again, wearing gloves, putting her hands on her head. And right over here is the track list. So there are 13 songs on this album, and they are Intro, End of the World, Bye, Don't Wanna Break Up Again, Saturn Returns Interlude, Eternal Sunshine, Supernatural, True Story, The Boy Is Mine, Yes and, We Can't Be Friends, Wait for Your Love, I Wish I Hated You, Imperfect for You, and Ordinary Things featuring Nana. Of these 13 songs, my favorite songs on this album are the first 3 songs, Eternal Sunshine, Supernatural, The Boy Is Mine, Yes and, We Can't Be Friends, Wait for Your Love, I Wish I Hated You, and Imperfect for You. And I also hope that Kidz Bop covers the songs Yes and We Can't Be Friends, Wait for Your Love, since those 2 songs have already been released as singles so far, and Yes and topped the Billboard Hot 100 charts. Now let's open this up, shall we? So here's the disc to Eternal Sunshine. It's just a plain black disc. And here's, we open up the booklet. Here are the lyrics and the people who wrote them. And finally, here are the credits and special thank you. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this Eternal Sunshine unboxing video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.